Right. So page 5 skip. Okay. Because of the missing info, so you just go straight to the assignment, which is the page 6, 7 and 8. So you should have worked this out already before you see this video. Line L is perpendicular, line N passes through. Find the equation of line L for 3 marks. So what do we know about perpendicular? So gradient of the given equation is minus half. That means the gradient of the perpendicular line would be the negative reciprocal, which means that. Okay, and then we are given coordinates 8 and 9, so that means x is equals to 8 and y is equals to 9. And then masukkan dalam equation because the question wants equation. So y is equals to 9, m equals to 2, x is equals to 8 plus c, and you should get your c is equals to minus 7. So your equation would be y equals to gradient is 2x minus 7. Okay. Moving on to page 7, solution for page 7. P is the point minus 2, 1, Q is the point 6 to 13, M is the midpoint of the line PQ. Find the coordinates of M. So since M is the midpoint, formula for midpoint would be x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. So it's crucial that you label it accordingly so that when you substitute it into the equation, you will place the numbers correctly. Simplifying that, and you should get 2 and minus 3. Okay. Next question. Find the gradient of line PQ. Formula for gradient: y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, difference of y, difference of x. Again, substituting the numbers correctly, so the label is still the same. Okay, the label is still the same, and that is equals to, simplified it, or 1.5. Okay, either one you can put it, it's correct, or 1 and 1/2, it's fine. Write down the gradient of the line that is perpendicular. So if the gradient is 3 over 2, so the gradient of the line perpendicular it will be the negative reciprocal. Okay, that's it. Last one, so I'll skip 11A. Okay, just skip lah, taruh sajalah. By drawing appropriate lines, so that means this one we draw x equals to 1, this one we draw it y is equals to minus x plus 5, and this one we're drawing 1 over 4x plus 1 over 2. So x equals to 1 would be a straight line cutting x-axis at 1. Y equals to minus x plus 5 means I start with 5 and rise. Okay, yep, that is where you should be. That means going up 1, 5. Okay, so that means it should be a straight line going that way. So this is x equals to 1, This is y equals to minus x plus 5. And then, oh, this one is already given. No need to do that. Okay, so x greater than 1, less than 5. So that means this is the region R. Label it as R. Okay. Alright, so calculate the length AB. Length, square root x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Substitute the numbers in. So it's crucial again that you label this one. So minus 1 minus 5 square plus 3 minus 5 square. Okay, simplify that one. That would be minus 6 square plus minus 2 square. And go ahead and simplify that one. Garus number square root, and you should get your answer correct to 3 significant figures, 6.32. Okay, last one, find the equation of the line perpendicular to AB and passes through the midpoint. So it says here perpendicular, that means we need to find gradient of AB first. That is y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2 using the same label. Work out the gradient. So that would be minus 2 minus 6. That means 1 over 3. That means the gradient of the perpendicular line would be minus 3. And then you need the point for the xy point. So it says here midpoint of AB. So we need that midpoint. X1 plus x2 over 2. Y1 plus y2 over 2. Again, substitute the numbers in using the same label. And you should get, simplify it, 4, that's 2. 8, 4. Right, so that means x is equals to 2, y equals to 4. So let me put my equation here. So the equation would be y equals to mx plus c, y jadi 4, m jadi minus 3, x jadi 2 plus c. So 4 is equals to minus 6 plus c. That means c is equals to 10. That means the equation would be y equals to, the gradient is minus 3x and the y-intercept is 10. There you go. Hopefully you make some corrections, and if your answer is correct for everything, well done.